let's do a sound mindfulness exercise to help with headache pain. We're going to use a combination of the voice and pressure with the fingers. We're going to go to pressure points on the head and the face to help reduce this pressure while also creating sound with the voice to help the parasympathetic nervous system to come online and help us to relax. We know from research that when the body relaxes, we lessen the perception of pain. So, the way we begin, as always, a quick inner check-in. Notice how you feel in the mind, your body, and your mood. Go ahead, take a moment. Mind, body, mood. Specifically, feel into how your head is right now. Maybe notice thoughts in particular, or maybe you've got some pain, or maybe you feel great. Just notice what's true. We're going to start with the middle and the pointer finger. You can even use a third finger if you prefer. And we're going to find some pressure points, some key ones in the face. We'll start there. There's some that you'll know and some that might be new. Let's go to one you probably know, your temples. When we go here, I just want you to press firmly, but not so hard that it hurts. Okay? So I'm going to press here and just breathe. And then find this point that is right over your jaw on either side. So if you open and close your jaw, you'll feel your jaw moving. Yep, got it? So again, you just press firmly, hold that. We've got this one. We have the temples. Now let's go about maybe a half an inch higher. So if you put your fingers on the side of your head like this, it's right about here on me. You'll feel a little bump, and when you press or move it, it's a little bit tender on most people. That's the spot. So you can put your other hand on the other side, and again, we're just going to hold it firmly. Excellent. So we've got jaw, temples, and this spot just above the temples. Fingers are like this now. I want you to imagine a dividing line right over the middle of your skull, and I want you to put your fingertips on those spots. It doesn't matter exactly where right now. You're just going to hold and then stabilize your thumbs wherever is comfortable. Again, holding firm and breathing. Excellent. When we're up here on the head, you could press really almost anywhere up here, and you're going to be pressing some sort of pressure point. When we press these, we help the muscles to open and relax. We create endorphins naturally. So there's some natural pain relievers that are non-addictive. So you can just do that. Just press all over up here. You might mess your hair up. We can deal with that later. Good, good, good. You can get the back of your head. All kinds of good stuff. So we have all these places. Remember, the jaw, temples, spot above the temples, and then the entire skull, really. We're going to add the humming sound. When we do it, we're going to do it in a special way. We'll always keep the lips together, so lips are closed. When we exhale the sound, the humming sound, we're going to open and close the jaw slowly. So it's going to look like I'm chewing with my mouth closed. Such good manners, right? Let me show you. I'm just going to breathe in, and I'll show you what the breathing and the sound looks like. feel free to giggle or laugh at me. That's a pretty funny looking thing. What's happening is that we're using the resonating chamber here in the jaw. As we open the jaw, remember lips are still closed, the sound vibration can move a little more freely into the face. But when we close the jaw, when we hold the molars together, we send the sound up into the skull. The sound's looking for a way out. And so opening it lets it resonate here, closing it pushes it up. As we do the exercise, see if you can feel that. Now, what we do with all of this, we have all these different points, and then we have the one sound maneuver, is that you get to decide where you press and how regularly you make the sound. I'm going to just keep doing it for a while, and your job is just to do it in a way that feels most comfortable for you. Always take breaks if you need to. Pause the video if you need to, okay? There's no pressure to go fast. In fact, don't. The way that you figure out, well, where should I be pressing, is go to those spots that you can remember feeling really good, right? Sometimes there's a spot up there, like, oh, that's the one. Start there. And then when you've had enough of that, find a new spot. All right? This is really self-directed, and I'll guide you at the same time. Let's begin. So just make yourself relaxed, spine is straight. Let's take a breath. So find whatever spot you like. I'm going to start with my jaw. You do as you like. And we'll breathe in. Lips are going to be closed. And then make that chewing with the mouth closed motion as you exhale. Got it. Excellent. Remember, hold where you like or follow me, up to you. One more like this. Very good. Relax those arms. Let's just breathe in together. Let it go. Just notice what's true. You know, does my head feel different now than before? It may or may not. I'm going to show you one more maneuver with the hands. There is a muscle that wraps around the skull, and sometimes it gets pretty tight. Sometimes it feels like there's all kinds of pressure. So one thing you can do to help yourself, you're going to get the fingertips just right up here on that dividing line we talked about. You can just gently pull like the skin up here. Just pull it a little bit to the side and just go all along that center point. Just slight, gentle pull. We can add some sound to this too. Let's breathe it in. Very good. Take a breath in and let it go. Just take a few moments for yourself in quiet. Breathe at your own pace. And one more breath. Very nice. Good work.